Hi and welcome to the Everyday PM Explainer series, where today we're talking about the difference between the sponsor and the project manager. Two key roles on every project, but where there's quite often some confusion about who should be doing what and what exactly the roles entail. So today we're going to try and remove some of that confusion, and we're going to start with the sponsor. The sponsor on any project is the customer. It's the person who wants the project done because they will get some sort of benefit from it having been completed. So for example, if I want to build an extension on my house, I'm very clearly the customer in that situation. I'm paying for it to be done. It's my house and I want the extension. So I am the customer and I ask a project manager, in this case probably a building contractor, to come along and deliver that project for me, because I don't know the first thing about how you build an extension on a house. I'm just the customer. So the project manager will come along and they will ask me things like, well, is there a budget? When do you want it done by? And we'll talk about what sort of level of quality we want it done to. The PM's role is the delivery. They look after the building, the construction, the execution of the project to those time, cost and quality constraints. So their role is delivery, and when the delivery is done, when the extension is built, the PM, their job is done and they walk away, whereas the sponsor sort of hangs around afterwards to make sure that they have got all the benefit out of it that they wanted, and to enjoy those benefits on an ongoing basis. Another example might be if you're doing an IT rollout at work, the customer, the sponsor, is probably the CIO or the service delivery manager. They want all the equipment upgraded to make it more efficient or whatever it might be. Whereas they might just ask either a professional project manager or one of the technical team leads to deliver that project. Perhaps the service desk manager might have an interest in delivering that. And so they deliver it, time, cost and quality. And when it's done, they walk away. Whereas the CIO enjoys the ongoing benefits of having, I don't know, saved costs, reduced the number of service calls and so on and so forth. So the sponsor is your customer. The PM is the person who delivers the project. When the project's delivered, the PM walks away and the customer, the sponsor, hangs around to enjoy the benefits afterwards. So that's the main difference between the two. I hope that's helped explain that for you and clarify it for you a bit. It's also worth bearing in mind that these are the things that each of those two people need to bear in mind. The sponsor is interested in getting the benefits, to making sure that what the project delivers will actually get them the result they want. The PM is purely focused on the delivery to time, cost and quality. Having those distinctions is really important on any project. I hope you found that helpful. If you have, please check out our other videos on YouTube and check out our website at everydaypm.co.uk. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye now.